what gets me up every day is trying to build something for somebody, making somebody's dream come true. Something, being there at the welcome home when you hand somebody their keys and they're signing off on their home, it's super cool because that's somebody's dream house that they're about to move into and start living their next chapter of their life in. And that's something that not every job you can go and do. So that's what gets me up out of bed. I got into construction. I actually started doing grading. My dad's a superintendent. He actually works with Woodside Homes, a partner company of SHAWOOD. And from there, learning from him and then doing grading, I figured I wanted to get into a superintendent position. I got a General B contractor's license and then eventually found myself working here at SHAWOOD.
My favorite thing about my job is interacting with all the different people. It's being out in the field, figuring things out, actually seeing the process of the house being built, and later on down the road, driving through the neighborhood and looking around and saying, I was a part of that. I got started in the construction industry right out of high school. A good family friend of mine, his family owned a framing company, so I worked my way up through the framing ranks, made framing foreman, and eventually kind of wanted the next step. So that's when I started seeking out builder positions and have learned a lot throughout that.
I would say the people that I work with, I learn a lot from them and they are easy to work with. You can physically see the process and the difference you've made by the end of the day. Like, oh, that wasn't here when we started this morning. So I think that's really cool. There's like a satisfaction that you get to see. So I started in construction because my family is a mixture of general contractors between my grandpa and my dad. And I did it growing up kind of as a teenager. And then I went to college to further my education, and I worked through college still doing kind of remodels and stuff like that. And then I came to work for a builder, which was Woodside, when I graduated, just because I wanted to put those skills to use with a big builder. And then I was pulled from Woodside to SHAWOOD.
So a happy home to me is basically a sanctuary. It's a place where you can go unwind, turn the day off, not worry about what's going on the outside world, have friends and family over. It's home.